Here are the 10 best points about International Women's Day IWD. 1. Celebrated on March 8th, IWD is observed annually on March 8th to honor women's achievements and advocate for gender equality worldwide. 2. Theme-based celebrations. Each year, IWD has a specific theme to focus on key issues affecting women, such as empowerment, leadership, or breaking biases. 3. Historical significance. The day originated from labor movements in the early 1900s, particularly the 1908 protest by women garment workers in New York demanding better wages and voting rights. 4. Recognized globally, IWD is acknowledged and celebrated across countries, cultures, and organizations, highlighting its universal importance. 5. UN involvement. The United Nations officially recognized IWD in 1977 and promotes global campaigns for women's rights. 6. Celebration of women's achievements. The day honors women's contributions in fields like science, politics, arts, business, and social work. 7. Advocacy for gender equality. IWD serves as a reminder of the ongoing fight for women's rights, equal pay, education, and leadership opportunities. 8. Purple, green, and white. These are the official colors of IWD, symbolizing justice, hope, and purity, respectively. 9. Events and campaigns. Various activities like marches, panel discussions, and awareness campaigns are organized to support and empower women. 10. A call to action. Beyond celebration, IWD urges governments, organizations, and individuals to take concrete steps toward gender equity and inclusion.